Welcome to PrintGizmo tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will learn about the vendor-suggested alternative specification by a broker admin initiated quote. When initiating a quote in which you plan to allow vendors to suggest alternative specifications, be sure to toggle Allow Partial Quote Order on. Once the quote has been initiated and you are viewing the updated quote screen, to select the vendors you wish to invite to bid on your quote, toggle the Allow Vendor Alternative Suggestions and Prices on. When one or more of the vendors you solicited have suggested one or more alternative specifications, a notice appears in the Enter Quote Price tab of the Quote Action section of the updated quote screen. When the name of a vendor who suggested and priced an alternative specification is selected in the Assigned Printer column of the Setup Product Price table in the Enter Quote Price tab, a second drop-down menu used for changing between that vendor's original specification bid price, if provided, and alternative specification bid price is displayed. Vendors who suggest alternative specifications and provide pricing for both the alternative and the original specifications will have both options in the second drop-down menu, as seen in the image above. Vendors who suggest and price alternative specifications and do not provide pricing for the original specification will only have the alternative specification option in the second drop-down menu. Vendors who do not suggest an alternative specification but price the original specification will be displayed as normal without the second drop-down menu. When the second drop-down menu is displayed, clicking the eye icon to its right will display the alternative specifications suggested by the vendor along with the original specifications for comparison. All suggested alternative specifications made by all vendors, including any notes, descriptions, or explanations, are logged in detail in the quote history, along with pricing details for original and alternative specifications. Selecting the name of a vendor who suggested and priced an alternative specification in the drop-down menu of the Assigned Printer column of the Setup Product Price table, followed by selection of alternative specification from the second drop-down menu and clicking the Save button in the Enter Quote Price tab, will create a customer quote that is based on the alternative specification. When approval of the quote is done from the front-end storefront, whether by the customer user or by the admin on behalf of the customer user, a message stating that the quote is based on alternative specifications and noting the original specifications that changed and the alternatives that replaced them is displayed. From this point forward, the specifications for the order placed from the quote include only the approved alternative specifications. We can see this in the View Update Order screen. Also, there will be a downloadable job ticket produced. Because the original specifications from the quote was originally created as well as a selected and approved suggested alternative specifications used in the order which resulted from the quote are both logged in the PrintGizmo database. A choice of which to use is provided if the quote is duplicated for reuse in the future. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. We hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact one of our support gurus, either through the chat program of your desktop or at 717-709-0990. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.